Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfect Creations. Linda Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, minor coronations, custom events. We do any celebrations, whether it's planning aspect, whether it's disco aspect, we do it all. We do destination weddings, corporate events, just name it all. So I am a certified wedding planner and a certified florist. Today, I'm a little excited because I just want to tell you guys about what I did today. Um, it's always, in this business, as long as I've been doing this, one of the things that give me so much joy is when I'm doing vendors event and charity event and things like that because it means a lot to me. And especially if I have to give back to the community or go into my community, I should say, um, to help people up and coming community, I should say, who are not in certain place to do certain things to bring life and celebration into. So the day I was a part of the Jazz and On Ridge is today was the second annual anniversary of them doing the jazzing on the street where multiple vendors come together. And this program is something that it's a barbershop, process junior barbershop, and the city partner with the city to create this event, and it's amazing. I mean, there's a lot of vendors that came out. This was the first year that I was a part of it, and I'm looking forward to being a part of the next year. It's a fun, free event too, and there's a lot of prizes and a lot of people give away stuff to the community from gift cards and a lot of vendors. We all came together and to do something for the community. And it's always good when there's music playing, there's free food, there's free water, ice, and everything. And I am really, really excited I was a part of it. It brings a lot of joy to my heart. Because sometimes, in this things we do, you give, you work, you work, you work, you make. Sometimes you got to take a step back and give and do something for people. And I myself give some stuff away, some prices away, and which is something that I was very excited, and I cannot wait for next year to be able to be part and to do more. Um, it's it's a joy, to be there and work with other people and just have fun. It just because right now things is crazy to just take a step back, bring some joy and happiness to people's life, and make people's day a little brighter. So I am extremely excited for being a part of that. It was amazing. As a planner, just anything that I can do, because you have to have humble beginnings. You have to give and have to be a part of your heart, no matter what you do, with business, with life, with everything you do. Because at one point, we weren't where we are now, and even if we are, there's certain people who may not be in the state to be able to do certain things that you can do. And there's nothing wrong with giving something back to somebody because you never know when they may need you, or when, you may need it, I should say, or when the opportunity will happen when somebody will do something for you. So, whenever the opportunity shows up for you to give, please give. Um, the event was today from 12 to 4 for the vendors, and now they're gonna have a jazz playing till in the evening. The live band's gonna come and just live it up and jazz it up. It's exciting. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, so you can get a sense of my days. Because I said, yes, I'm going to talk about my business. Yes, I'm going to talk about other stuff. But at the same time, I want to share, these experiences, this journey with you. Because a year, there's a lot to talk about. Yes, there's a lot of event planning things I can talk about. There's more detail. But sometimes to take a step back and just to talk to you guys is, one on one. So you get to know me on a personal level, not just on a business level. Because when I'm planning an event, I treat everybody as family. I treat everybody understanding because it's a special time in your life. And when you know it's business, yes, but I still want you to feel comfortable. I still because it's important. If somebody don't connect with you or they're not comfortable with you in the situation, it's awkward. Yes, you're doing a job and you're getting paid for a service, but they should feel that bond, that connection, and things with you. So no matter what it is, you want to take a step back and just in the zone out. So Yeah, I don't want you guys to feel like, okay, well, she said she's gonna give tricks and plans while wedding planning, and now she's not doing it. She's going off topic. So, just wanted to let you know what some of this can do. Just share every aspect. But I didn't forget, as I promised, I will start as the season go right after October. When we start to do like November, I will start to try to do some design and show you some decor aspect of things and stuff like that. But it's just that if anybody that in the industry or anybody that I know this year alone, that even though this is wedding season, but you have to think about it. Like everybody that didn't get married for the last 2 years are planning a wedding. So we was lazy for the last year not doing anything, and but now is extremely busy, which is a good busy. I'm not complaining. I don't want it to go back. I'm grateful for this opportunity. I'm grateful to be working because there was a time where I wasn't working. I went from planning many events, because I'm not going to say the number, to planning little to none, and that was bad. So, um, but as always, you know, if you have question, I think at some point I stopped um, doing my decor classes because of the calendar and the time, and my calendar right now is extremely booked. So, but I will start that open. I will open that calendar back up. That will be able to do wedding planning classes to start teaching. But all of that is like during the season when it start, and maybe probably pick it up around that time or around spring, just to give. So for all of those that are wishing like, oh my God, I can't book any more classes to plan, like how to decor, like how to aspect is coming up. I will reopen those classes again, and you may have an opportunity to do the. But we still have option to, if you want to inquire about my services, you can still do it. You can sign up to Linda www.lyndaperfect.creationseven, where you can sign up for a free 30-minute consultation to learn about my services. And so if you have an upcoming event, no matter what, whether you book the event or not, you don't get charged. It's just something for you to tell me and see if it's a fit. Maybe we may not be compatible. Um, you might be the best client, and I may not be the best vendor, and that's okay, because everybody don't click. And as I said prior to before, no matter what, you need to talk to every single client, um, vendors, to make sure that they are the right fit for you. Um, my services, I highly recommend it. I don't get offended if somebody feel they want to go other route. I don't feel like I'm losing out, because the clients that are for me will come for me. Um, everything that I do with excellence, because I feel like if you do a great job, it sells for itself. It speaks for itself. You don't have to do a lot of promotion. You don't have to do a lot of raving about it. The clients that you service, the people that you serve, they will market your business for you. So I am always proud about everything that I do. But once again, I just want to tell you guys thank you. But it's been a challenging week, as I said. The past week has been really challenging, and today was a little bit of uplifting. It took me back to my roots, things that I love to do. To give back, giving back and servicing people, and making other people happy. And that's some of the reason why I came to Wedding Planner. Just that joy and excitement that you see on people's face when you do something nice for them, or you do the event, and it just brighten up the day. So, I think it came at the perfect time, with everything that was going on in my personal life, and this event kind of just shifted a little bit. Um, because yesterday I was really down. It, from what transpired, it took a toll. Um, I'm not going to say that I'm 100%, or I'm not going to say that everything is back to normal. I'm still cautious. I'm still things, but at least I'm taking it one day at a time. That's why I would say I'm taking it one day at a time. But the day was good to have a great day today. Um, to not feel the way that I felt. But thank you for watching. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfect Creations. You can follow me on my website at www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. I'm also on all social media platforms, TikTok to Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You can find my services there. Thank you and have an amazing day. Bye.